it is raining. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is raining. So let me get this out of the way. Crap. I forgot I was gonna. Okay, I'm gonna do this teleporting thing. Oh yeah. If you didn't see the last video, I can teleport. Watch this. Alright, you see it? Now watch. There we go. It's raining. Alright, that's it. I know it's kind of short. I'm probably just going to use the same thumbnails I did in the last video. I might try something different. But yeah, I would make it longer. It's raining though, and it's getting faster, so I need to hurry and get this done with. So, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And comment if you like these kind of things. I watch them. I don't know why. I love them. Okay. So, you probably see drops on the thing. Oh God, that's blurry. I'm sorry, there's like rainwater. Oh God. Okay. Alright. See you guys. Peace.